In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Notion. If you've ever found yourself struggling to organize your Notion pages, tags can be a lifesaver. They're an incredible way to categorize and filter information, keeping your workspace neat and accessible. Let's dive in and make your Notion setup more efficient. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Notion page where you'd like to organize your content with tags. Having all your information in view will make it easier to decide where to place your tags. Next, find the Column 1 area on your page. Clicking on this column will help you initiate the structure we need for tagging. Once you've clicked on Column 1, you'll need to input a column title. For simplicity and clarity, let's call this column Tags. Giving your columns clear and meaningful names is important because it helps you instantly know what type of information should be housed in that space. Now, once you've entered the title, look for an option that says Multi-Select. This is where the real power of tagging in Notion lies. By choosing Multi-Select, you can input multiple tags in a single cell, which is excellent for items that belong to more than one category or type. After you've selected Multi-Select, click directly on a cell in this column and begin typing your tags. It's a straightforward process. Just type in a tag and press Enter to confirm it. For example, you could input numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 as your tags, but you could use any labels relevant to your needs. Remember, with multi-select properties, you can enter as many tags as you like. Pressing Enter after each entry ensures they're stored correctly. Alternatively, you might prefer a method where each column represents a single tag. If this sounds more suitable, go to your next column and click on the plus icon. Here, you'll select the Select option. You can change the name of this selection to something like Categories, if that fits your scheme better. Renaming your columns helps maintain a clean and understandable structure. Once again, click on a cell in this new column. Now, when you input a tag and press Enter, each one will be placed into its own distinct column. This way of organizing can be particularly helpful if your categories or tags are mutually exclusive, or you simply prefer the visual clarity it provides. And that's it. You now have a flexible tagging system in Notion that can help keep track of your information simply and effectively. Whether you prefer multi-select for a compact view or one tag per column for a more detailed approach, these steps will help you master organization in Notion. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!